Being in tune with yourself and understanding what your body needs is the key ingredient to a healthy lifestyle. That's why top nutritionists and health experts agree, having a wellness buddy can make all the difference to living a healthy and happy life. What's a wellness buddy, you ask? Let's explore the basics of how to find and use a wellness buddy as part of your wellness journey. A wellness buddy is someone who can provide emotional and physical support as you work towards becoming healthier. This could be a friend, family member, or even a professional. They can help motivate you, offer advice, and provide a much-needed boost when times get tough. Your buddy will also be there to celebrate your successes and cheer you on. Finding the right wellness buddy is a personal decision. Think about who you can trust and rely on to help you out when needed. You're looking for someone who will hold you accountable, cheer you on, and be there to offer words of encouragement. It's important that your wellness buddy is someone you're comfortable talking to about your health and wellness goals, and who you can trust to provide accurate advice. Once you've found your wellness buddy, it's time to start making the most of your relationship. Make sure to communicate openly and honestly. Set realistic goals, and agree upon how often you'll check in with each other. Make sure you both understand the importance of being there for each other, and show appreciation for the support they provide. With the right wellness buddy, you'll be well on your way to reaching your wellness goals. Having a wellness buddy is an important part of staying healthy and happy. Finding the right buddy is a personal decision, so take the time to find someone you can trust. Once you have your wellness buddy, it's important to communicate openly and set realistic goals. With the help of a wellness buddy, you'll be well on your way to reaching your wellness goals.